This is the NYX Professional Makeup HD Eyeshadow Base Shadow Primer. So this is very much a whitish tone, I would say, when you apply it to the eye. But I personally prefer this NYX Shadow Base over their pot style one because this one is much thinner. So this works great with both mattes and shimmers and dries down without creasing, whereas I feel like the thicker pot sometimes adds a little bit of creasing because of the consistency. So this one is wet when you apply it, and then you just let it dry down. I even like to give it a few little pats to ensure it's drying how I wanted. So here it is on my eyelids. You can see it's a little doe foot applicator, which makes it super easy for application. You don't even need any brushes, or you don't have to add any of your own goop off your fingers when applying it. So it's gonna last longer and be more sanitary. So I do apply a eyeshadow over that is a cream base, just to give it a true consistency test. So you can see the right eye has a little bit of a line there, but I will pat it out so you can see it does dry down. I did apply it while it was still a little bit wet, but as you can see, as I take my brush across it, it really just smooths it out. I have more on the hooded eyes side, but here it is with a full face, and you can see everything has blended out and looks amazing. This is a super affordable option to get a long-lasting eyeshadow base.